those out of the shot. Into the bowl, we're going to go with the undisclosed amount of butter, which is going to be...
And pause right there for a second. What I'm going to tell you is that if you actually prep the ingredients listed below and then mix them together, it's going to make your life a hell of a lot easier. So maybe just watch this video for comedic value. But yeah, if you just smash the list of ingredients together below, it makes things way easier.
About that much. I'm going to say that's about 50 grams, but we don't know, do we? We'll never know. While that is melting, yes, that's my microwave in the background, okay? Here we go. We're going to break these up. Now I'm a little bit of a cheater when it comes to this, so I'm just gonna, whiz them. I'm gonna whiz them. 2 seconds, I'll make a 2 second job. Coming in hot. Melted butter. We need some more biscuits. I know. We're gonna. Probably should have done this in a different order, but here we go. Some of this in there. Probably don't need that much because otherwise we won't have enough biscuits. But chop those up. Choppity choppity chop. Here's a chopping board. Oh wow. Started making those tough, didn't they? Oh, so if we need more, okay, right. Okay, oh, we need more biscuits. Oh no, we put too much butter in there. Maybe I needed some bigger bits of biscuits. Oh, these, it's the biscuits, it's the texture. We go. She's lolly cake. She's tasting quite lolly cakey. Kind of like ginger nut as well though, just a little bit weird. All the lollies soak up the excess butter. Oh no. I would put some more biscuits in there, but the only other biscuits I have are healthy ones and I'm not doing that. Maybe I need to push it down. No, she can roll. She can roll. Are you ready to roll? I don't have any of my lolly cake. That's what you need to do. It is meant to be a little bit firmer than this. Whoa, that's a big lolly cake. Wow, she's going to be eating lolly cake for days. That just looks absolutely glorious, doesn't it? And you get your baking paper, you just, there we go, just roll it up. The baking paper will soak up the excess butter, no worries. Whoa, oh champion, there we go, see you when it sets.
You did not see me when it sets, but it was delicious and we ate it all, so yeah, subscribe for more of these.